Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to show you how you have to maintain your exercise copies and which copy that you have to use for particular subject. Okay, so look at here. These are the set of copies which will be utilized for the nursery to class UKG. Okay, there are three kinds of copies. One is 4-line copy, okay, and this 4-line copy will be utilized for the English subject. Okay, second is boxed copies, and this copy will be utilized for mathematics subject. Okay, and third is 5-line copies, okay, and this copy will be utilized for Hindi subject. Okay, now these are the set of copies that will be utilized for class 1 to class 5. Okay, there are four kinds of copies. First is 4-line copies, and this copy will be utilized for English subject, okay, as well as English grammar and moral science. Okay, second one is boxed copies. Okay, this copy will be utilized for the mathematics. Okay, and third one is interleaf copies. Interleaf copies means one side is plain and one side is 4-line copies. Okay, that means this copy will be utilized for the EVS, computer and geometry. Okay, and fourth one is 2-line copies. And these 2-line copies will be utilized for the Hindi subject. Okay, that means for Hindi literature and Hindi grammar. Okay, now there are two type of copies for class 6 to class 8. Okay, one is ruled copies and another one is interleaf copies. Okay, so ruled copies will be utilized. This ruled copies, okay, will be utilized for English literature, English grammar, Hindi literature, Hindi grammar, mathematics including algebra and arithmetic, history and civics. Okay, now second copy, that is interleaf copy, okay, which is one side is blank and one side is ruled. Okay, this copy will be utilized for computer, geography, geometry and science, okay, including physics, chemistry and biology. Okay, so this is the portion where you have to write your exercises, and this is the plain portions where you have to draw your pictures or paste your pictures. Okay, okay, so first you have to cover your copies very neatly with the help of your parents. Okay, so with a brown paper, okay, you have to cover it very neatly. Okay, and second thing, that you have to paste your nameplate at the top of your copy. Okay, you have to paste it like this, where you have to write your name, your class and your subject should be there. Okay, you have to paste it like this, and don't paste it anywhere else. Everyone have to paste it like this. Got it? Okay. Okay, everyone have to write your page number. Okay, that means you have to paging your numbers, right? But I will show you for the class 1 to class 8 that how you have to start your exercises and how you have to maintain your exercises. Okay, so look at here. First you have to fill the index portion. Okay, this portion you have to fill it out, right? Before that, when you are start your exercises, you have to write your date out here. Okay, day out here. Your homework should be here, h.w. should be here, and you have to write your page number, as I told you already that you have to paging your numbers. Okay, and next thing is you have to write your lesson number. Okay, your topic or the title you have to write it in the second line, and after that you have to make a line out here. Okay, look at it. I'll show you some examples. See, here you have to write your date. Okay, your day should be here. Okay, your homework should be here, HW, you have to write HW. Okay, and page number should be here, like I have written 01. Okay, and your chapter number or the lesson number should be here, and you have to make a line out here. Okay, draw a line. Second thing, you have to write your topic, and even here you have to draw a line, and you have to do your exercises like this. Okay, but as soon as you completed your first question, you have to draw a straight line. Okay, and start the next question. Okay, whenever you start your question answer, you have to write q dot 1 dot, that means question number 1. Okay, and after writing your question, when you will write your answer, you have to start like this. You have to write ANS, which stand for answer. Okay, and very next to the question. Okay, so this is the way how you have to write your exercises in your copies. Okay, I think you understood. So similar method you have to follow for the other subjects also, for class 1 to class 8. Okay, and next thing, okay, but one thing, remember that you have to use pencils for class 1 to class 4. You have to use pencils while you are writing your exercises, and from class 5 to class 8 you have to use gel pens. Okay, please use black and blue, black for the questions and blue for the answers. Okay, you have to remember this. I hope you all understood, and if you haven't understood anything, you can ask us whenever you come to the school. Okay, thank you.